For the record, I don't sleep in this scarf. I just have it on because I didn't want to look too crazy on here. And I promised y'all a tutorial on how to blow dry your hair, your child's hair, anybody's hair, and limit heat damage. Whoa. So I figured I would be the perfect candidate for this video. Initially, I was going to use a client in the salon, and nobody came in with the hair texture that I felt like would do this video some justice, and I needed my hair wash. So
okay, y'all, so we're about to get started, and these are the tools that I use when I'm in the salon and when I'm styling my hair at home. So first off, we have a Denman brush, and then we have a wide tooth comb and a detangle brush. We also have a Babyliss ceramic blow dryer, a must-have, and I also have some Framar alligator clips. These you will need about 4 to 8 of them, depending on how much hair a person has or how many sections you need to do for your blow dry. I also use my own products, Jonna Sabri Hair Care. They are honey based and I hand make them myself. All of these other products I will list in the description box, and you can purchase them all on Amazon. Other than that, let's get started, y'all. All right, so I've already washed my hair. I did 3 shampoos. I don't care for clarifying shampoos because I don't put a lot of product in my hair. So I was able to just use my regular shampoo, and I washed my hair 3 times for a good clean. So now I have applied conditioner, and I'm going to do a steam method where I wet a towel and I wring it out, and then I just put it in the microwave for like 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, and then I tie it around my head. It's like instant steam method. I love it. You should try it. If I was in a salon, I would probably sit under the dryer with a cap or sit under a steamer, but this does the same thing if you're at home. So right now I'm just combing through my hair to kind of help the conditioner really work its magic now that my hair has been steamed, which means my cuticles are open and it can properly, well, my hair can properly receive all the nutrients and the moisture from the combination of the water and the conditioner. And as you can see here, like when your hair is conditioned properly, your curl just kicks right back in. And so again, conditioner is still in my hair, and I'm just combing it through to ensure it kind of works its way down my hair strand. This detangle brush is like heaven sent. If you don't have one, you can order yours right from Amazon. They're really affordable, and they just really help you breeze through your hair and detangle it well and sufficiently. So now my conditioner is all rinsed out. And as you can see, my hair is soft, shiny, and hydrated. And now I'm just spraying a little bit of leave-in. My leave-in is very lightweight. It's definitely a heat protector and a sealant at the same time without weighing your hair down, without making your hair greasy. It's just packed with vitamins and nutrients, and I love it. If you want something on the heavier side, my leave-in is not it. It's just great for hydration, basically hydration and nutrients, and it's honey based. So honey is great for relaxed or natural hair. And so here I'm just sectioning my hair. Depending on how much hair you have or whose hair you do, that will determine how many sections you need to put in your hair. My hair is fairly thick in the middle, so I do more sections up at the top. The center is extremely thick, so that's where most of my work needs to be done, in the center. And when your hair is super thick, as you section, you have to detangle as well. So that's why it's always best to use these good wide tooth combs and put your fingers to use. You know, before we had combs, we had our fingertips, and your fingertips are going to do more than you even think they can do. So don't be afraid to use your fingers. You know what I mean? Your fingers are God sent. You know, we have them for a reason. So put them to use, let them help you out. And don't worry about how straight your parts are. That's really not important. What's important is that the sections are a decent enough size and they're easy for you to manage when you're doing your blow dry. So if you're a beginner, you might want to do more sections. It's just up to you. So I normally start in the back and I just hold the hair out straight and blow hair on it, around it, on the side of it, on top of it, underneath it, every angle. I create tension by attaching it to my dimming brush and holding it still. And as you can see, I'm just blowing my blow dryer all around the different sides of my hair. And then once your hair is like fairly straight, then you can just go ahead and start brushing through it. In my first video, I talked about how you should never just put your dryer directly on your hair. And this is why. I mean, you don't have to, as you can see. If you create tension with how you hold your hair as the air is blowing on it, that in itself will straighten your hair. So it's no need to give yourself an arm workout. It's no need to be pulling and yanking on your hair. That is how you cause breakage. And the dryer matters as well. So this dryer is ceramic. If you guys aren't familiar with ceramic just gives your hair natural shine. It makes your hair smooth. It eliminates frizz. So the combination of this ceramic dryer, my dimming brush, which is a form of a detangler, and the tension. See that right there? I just wanted to show you. Don't put your dryer directly on your hair. For the record, my dryer was turned off when I did that. I just wanted to show you what not to do. This is what you do. You wave your dryer around so that your air is blowing on multiple areas of your hair at once. And after you've created that tension, your hair will just straighten on its own. But before you can even get to this point, your conditioning and your shampoo is important. So what I failed to mention earlier is that when we shampoo our hair, the pH of our hair is thrown off. And when your pH is thrown off, your hair can be drier. It can be more prone to tangles. It can be more prone to matting. It can be more brittle. It can break easier. And so that is why when you put conditioner in your hair, if you read the back, they always say to let your conditioner sit. They don't tell you why, but basically you need to let it sit so that it can readjust the pH of your hair. Shampoo is to clean your hair, not really necessarily moisturize your hair. It's to get all the gook off of your hair and scalp, mainly your scalp. So when it comes to hydrating and moisturizing your hair, that is where your conditioners come in. And your conditioners readjust your pH, which will then make your hair shinier, more manageable, softer, and just more of its natural state. Just put it, your conditioner will put your hair back into its natural state. And as you can see, that's what my conditioner did. Now, also, when you condition your hair, it is always best to use heat if you are natural. What heat does is it swells the hair shaft and it allows the product to penetrate your cuticle properly. So if you are 4C, 4B, you need that heat in order for that conditioner to really do its job. Okay. And so going back to the blow dry, once you've done what needs to be done as far as your conditioner goes and your shampoo goes, your blow dry should be a breeze. It will be even easier if you implement this type of technique that I'm showing you. It is a tension blow dry. It is a matter of you holding your hair, applying some type of tension to your hair, holding it straight and outward, and using a ceramic style blow dryer to aid you in silkening your hair, softening your hair, and straightening your hair. And there's no need to put your dryer directly on your hair when you use this method, because most of the work is done just from holding it in the direction that you want it to dry. And if you do this, I'm telling you, your blow dries will be a breeze. Your kids won't be screaming and hollering. And the more you do this on yourself, the easier your hair will become to manage. What I will suggest is that you create a hair care ritual or regimen where every week or every 2 weeks you wash your hair. The more you stick to your regimen, the easier your hair will be to manage, and you'll be doing this technique like in 15 minutes tops. So do me a favor, y'all, like this video, subscribe, share it. If I've said something that has hit home, please let me know. Let me know if you want to see more of this type of stuff. My page is very much a lifestyle page, but I wanted to start with hair because hair is definitely my comfort zone. And I want to help you guys along because a lot of y'all are out there struggling with y'all hair. As a hairstylist, I see it. I see moms come in with their babies. They don't know what the hell is going on. I see women come in and they say, my hair is natural, but it's still not growing. So I just want to show y'all that I wear press majority of the time, and my hair does not have a lot of heat damage, and this is why my hair is fairly healthy. I do not wear my curls. For the record, I wear silk presses. And I still have nice volume to my hair. As you can see, it's silky and smooth already. And now from this point, I can add some oil. If I was going to do a protective style, I can just grease it, oil it, whatever. Or I can go ahead and press. Now, if you press, you should be doing one pass with your iron. Your second pass should be to finish your style. Okay, so I hope this helped. Like, subscribe, share. See you on the next video. Bye.